Any second. All right, there we go. Cool. I'd like to call the meeting to order.
We need to get you a mallet.
Yeah. Order.
All right, so start quiz, right?
Yeah, go
Right.
ahead. Following table. Okay, so starting with question 3, it gives us the table of human blood types and the proportion distribution of that. Question 3 is the blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. I think that's true because it does add up to 1, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It all adds up to 1.
Okay, who wants to tackle number 4?
I'll tackle number 4. Sorry, I had my pencil in my mouth. I'm like, blah, blah, blah. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the U.S. has a O blood type? Round to 2 decimal places. O blood type is 0.40.
0.40?
That's what the chart says. Wait, is that right? Is that A? Oh, wait, where's O? Sorry,
4.5 is right.
4.5. Sorry. I think that doesn't seem right. Where was it? Okay.
4.5, right? Do we have to put the 0 before?
I don't think you necessarily do. I just have it.
Okay.
As long as it's 0.45, I do believe the thing takes it just fine.
Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? So then we go back and we add up all the other ones that are not O.
Or according to rule 3, we can just minus 1 from
Or
1
just
minus.
Yeah.
So 1 minus 0.45 equals 0.55.
Yep.
That's what I got.
Either way, we've gotten the exact same answer, just the one's a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I can read verse 6 full paragraph. Sorry. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen delivered from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? I got to go back and look at it now. So just be just 1 out of 7, right?
Yeah. So that's what is that? 0.142.
Yep.
0.142.
I get 143 if we want to round, but I don't know.
142. Oh.
No. So 0.143.
Yep.
Yeah, 143 if we're rounding to 3 decimal points.
Excellent.
Do you want me to just read question 7?
Yeah.
In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. There's little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. I would go with the first option.
Yeah, like how it's worded, because it's unlikely I would just by random chance alone.
Yeah.
I'll take the next one. So the M&Ms are a small chocolate candy. The M&M website previously indicated in the United States the distribution of colors in bag items is given by the following table. If you reach into a bag of M&Ms, there's a probability of drawing a red colored candy. 0.13.
So then the next one.
Just do
Green.
rest and we'll get the green, right?
Yeah, just add up the rest.
Are we back? Hello, can you hear me?
Yep, we're here.
About that.
Oh, you're okay.
We
My
didn't know
internet
you
just cut on me. That was horrifying. Anyway.
What just happened?
Anyway, question 7 is: this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect blood cancer.
Yes.
Yeah. We must have lost you there for a minute, Mark, and we didn't even know it because we did 18 as well, which is
What was 8?
0.13, right? You just
Okay.
look at the card and it tells you that.
Let's see. Ready? Oh yeah.
And then on number 9, we just did 1 minus the rest, which I got 0.16.
Yep, that's what I got.
Yep.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. What's the probability? All right. Whose turn is it?
Let Mark do that one.
So if 0.16, if green was 0.16, then it's a 0.84 probability that that a randomly selected one won't be green.
Yeah. Okay. 0.84, correct?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then
I don't know
half,
how they're going in, but I'll go. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Question 11. Half of the observers are less than or equal to what number? So we're looking for the median, which is 24. Yeah?
Yep.
yep.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. Yes,
According
that is
to, I'll take
correct.
the next one. Based on the information above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? 27. Because the third quartile is the 70. It means that everybody below, anyone who scored in that scored above 75% of everybody else, which would be your top 25%.
I agree.
Yeah, that is correct.
All right, number 13.
All right, Mac, you want to take 13?
Yep. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? I think it's C there. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If it's low, it's negative.
That
Correct?
is correct. All right, guys, I think that's it, isn't it?
Yep, get the Smith button all together, guys.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Hang on, my internet's being slow again.
It's okay.
Ooh, looks like 100 to me.
Woot.
100%.
Well
Good
done,
job.
everyone. Oh, yep, my phone just told me about 100%. Okay.
Cool.
All right, awesome, guys. If you guys need anything, we'll meet Thursday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, that's right.
And
Oh,
Mark,
and
will you add a link?
What? Yeah,
I'll
Mark.
send the link.
Okay.
Okay.
And then one more question for you guys. So at the end, I don't know if you guys have been playing around with this or looking too far ahead in the class, but we have got the final project coming up. And the last semester, what I saw with that is because they're kind of picky about how we do it, is we had a really hard time getting our proposal accepted. And I just recommend that we all kind of start thinking about things that we could do now, for like just cruise through it and cruise what I was looking for. Because if we could even get that turned in early, then that would just be one less thing that we have to worry about.
Okay. What week is the assignment in?
So if you scroll down past at the very end, they have the final project, and the final project's all in its own little thing.
We do that
Okay.
as a group. I haven't read anything about it.
It's good. I'm
Yeah,
just
me
an
neither.
overachiever. That was the one thing also we ran into last time I did this class, was that we were having a hard time getting that approved. And so I figure if we can start working on it now and then maybe get it approved early, then then we can kind of stretch out the project throughout the entire semester rather than trying to come in like the last 4 weeks when we see how to do it. This is when
Yeah,
we have
that makes
finals
sense.
on. Okay.
So it's nice having you in
All
this
right, I'll
group.
put it on my radar.
All right. Just put on the radar.
One other thing, Mark, are you going to post? Do you want somebody else to post?
I can post it. It's fine. I've got the link. So.
Okay,
Okay.
and just make sure you write everybody's name.
Oh yeah. Sorry about that.
That was fine. All right, we'll see you guys. Thanks.
Thanks.
All right. See you guys.
Bye.